Yo, what's good YouTube? This is Vango and today I'm gonna be showing you guys 5 reasons why PHP is not going anywhere. Alright, so the first reason is we got a lot of companies that still use PHP. Does it mean that you should use PHP? Not really. It does depend on what you really need. So that is an example. You have all of these websites still use PHP, Slack, Tumblr, Wikipedia, Facebook, Yahoo, Flickr, iStock Photo, Baidu, Canva, Dig. I could go on and on. But the thing is, it's not about that. A lot of companies are also moving from PHP to JavaScript and so on. It does depend on what you need. So why do people actually use PHP sometimes? Let me show you. So if you go into just host, for example, and if we go into A2 hosting and Bluehost, for example, I'm going to show you 3 websites. This is a PHP website. You could run a full WordPress website from here just for $4 a month. It's cheap as that. Just one website, $4 a month. Uh, so that is the second reason why, and second and third reason why basically PHP is used a lot these days and still used. See, WordPress, for example, on A2 hosting is just for $12. A managed VPS is for $40, which is a lot. This is like where you run a JavaScript server or a like a Python server, for example, and so on and so on. Bluehost, for example, if you go check out that, you're gonna find out as well that the PHP hosting is so much cheaper than. So if you just go into like, yeah, this is $3 a month for 1 year. Uh, so that's basically what I'm trying to tell you, is that PHP is got cheaper hosting, cheaper database compatibility and price, and a lot of companies still do. You also have a large community of developers. If I go into my Stack Overflow, for example, just give my browser a second. If I just go into my Stack Overflow and I'm just going to check out the tag for PHP, let's check out how many questions are there. Also, it does have cheaper hiring costs, by the way. So if I go search PHP, and let's just check out the tag, you have around 1,446,000 questions that are posted at the moment in total for PHP on Stack Overflow. So it's not going anywhere as well. You have a large community of developers. You also have something, if we go into Fiverr, hire a PHP developer, for example, Fiverr hire a JavaScript developer, or Fiverr hire a Python developer. This is the final and fifth reason, is that it has cheaper hiring cost, but that is not a guarantee as well, because sometimes you could get the same price for a PHP developer for a JavaScript developer if they're just starting or so on, but usually it does not work this way. Uh, but as you can see over here, like for Python, you have a guy over here that sells it for like $5, 2 days delivery, $50, $125. But for PHP developers, like you could get like $20. You have a PHP developer over here for $5. A guy that would develop your whole website for the back end and front end for just $10. Uh, Another guy over here, $50, $30. So yeah, as you could see, like for a full-on website, like if I go into the premium one, this has got 10 pages, like 10 pages of full PHP website, 150 compared to uh, a big program. I don't even know what that means. Like, what is a big program? Like, it can be anything. Like, that big program can be anything for anyone. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is that even sometimes in hiring costs, PHP could sometimes be cheaper. That is not always the case. Like as you can see, I have a custom website over here in Django, $150. Also, the same thing for another freelancer over here for 10 pages in PHP, Laravel, and so on. So sometimes the hiring costs are cheaper, but I'm gonna give you one reason why it's actually going to fall within the next few years compared to the other languages. It does not fully support the advanced mechanisms of machine learning compared to alternatives these days. So that was it, you guys, for 5 reasons that why PHP is not going anywhere. Comment and like and subscribe and tell me guys what you think actually in the comments about PHP, JavaScript, and other languages. And if you have any other comments, just put them down in the description, put them down in the comments. I will see you guys in the next video. This was Angle EDU, and peace.